Further study lang, review and study para yung mga conflicting, controversial at least ma-resolve muna.
Sir,
For further review and
What do
studies.
you want to be reviewed in the first place?
Ay, basta yung mga issues na kailangan muna. Maraming maraming tumatawag. So further review and study before we pass a law. We just have to be sure.
Sir, ilan kayo mag-withdraw?
Hindi ko lang kung ano nasa page na lang siguro.
Is there
I am not sure.
Is there a specific proposed provision that you're against?
Naman, further review lang. Siguro yun na lang.
Ma'am, sorry yung CSE yung particular mong inaayawan?
Yes.
Yung comprehensive sexuality education.
Ako naman, I agree na we do have a problem with teenage pregnancy. But it's how do we solve that problem is tama ba na ito yung solution sa problema?
Control of the parents. Hindi mo pwede yan. That's against our Filipino culture.
No, sir, nung pinirmahan nyo, hindi nyo nakita yun, sir?
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung international standards at that time. So, upon review, medyo hindi ukma sa kultura natin Pilipino.
Now, ang problema raw ng mga senador ay hindi nila alam ang international standard when they back the bill para sa framework ng comprehensive sexuality, not sex.
It was a friend, somebody from the UK, who told me that there is a bill pending, and he was talking about the Comprehensive Sexuality Education Program, CSE, no? And it's an international program being promoted primarily by the UNESCO and the UNFPA and the UNICEF that will hypersexualize children at a very early age.
Now, in an interview, President Marcos said that it will be a guaranteed veto dahil na-shocked at appalled daw siya sa mga nilalaman ng nasabing Senate bill and that it was a product of promoting woke mentality. Appalled and echoed sentiments by former Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno dahil sinasabi nito at ng Project Dalisay na it teaches kids to masturbate.